Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build this super cute mermaid bed in Heartopia. So I placed down 2 by 2 of the the low walls, and I added wooden wall storage on this line here, like the middle line, so that I can place the cozy corner sofas. If you don't have this, you can use your beds and have two next to each other instead, I believe. Then, once you've placed all 4 of the sofas, you are going to glitch them. I have a separate tutorial on that. I'll just link it in the description or I'll pin it in a comment. But once you're done with that, you're just going to grab some floorings and you're just going to place down the floorings here. Then get this fence and you're just going to place it on top of the flooring for the headrest, and then another one but at the bottom like this. And after that, you are going to want to glitch the fence at the bottom like so, so we can place some pillars. Here we are going to place 4 pillars. I sped it up, but basically you're just going to go to the pillar here and go to the seashell stone brick pillar, and you're just going to add it to each corner. Don't forget to turn on the precision, which I did not remember. And we are just going to put one wall here, and we are going to grab the floor from the one we had, and we're going to actually place it on top of the wall to create kind of like a base for our curtains later. So we're just going to then delete the wall, and I'm just going to place 4 of the curtains there. Once you're done, just select complete and you are basically done. Just get out of build mode, and this is what the bed looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!